So let's talk about the examples of variables. So in this way we can consider variables name such as my_var John, assign value to this variable, my_var_my_var my capital V, assign in this way. These are the examples, or we can say these are the right way to like calling a variable or assigning give a variable name. So if you want to check these are working, so we call some names from this and I just run. So yeah, it works properly. So these are the right way to call variable names, and we can take these such as here are another way. If for multiple rows I want to comment, then I can simply assign in this way, and here I end the multi-line comment in Python. And if you want to give a single line comment, you can use hash and write something like print, then it will end single line comment. I also consider this. So these are the names we cannot like give to a variable, such as at start, as the rule says. Firstly, we cannot give number at the start of the variable name. Also, we cannot use dash function, and we cannot use a space while like given a variable name. Yeah, you can see here there are a lot of errors come, and that's it.